Hey, Greg Berzinsky here for Beardbrand Alliance, wishing you the best of the holiday season. And what do you think the best gifts are for the holiday season? They would be a gift from Beardbrand. Here's some ideas that you can get for stocking stuffers as well as gifts for anyone in your family. Loved one, cherished one, friend one, whatever you got. We got a gift for them. You know that the products have been resized and now packaged in aluminum. What a great gift it would be to get a combination utility softener and utility wash. You can hit your hair and your beard with those products, and that would be an excellent gift. Also, the utility balm is perfect for anyone. Now, I say anyone because you can use it on your beard, but you can also use it on your skin. So if you have a loved one with tattoos, perfect gift for them also. If you have a friend who has a mustache, what better gift than a mustache wax? And these are all in the new containers with the new graphics. Lovely. They are great gifts for your loved one. My go-to products would be something for the hair. And so I love sea salt spray. You know anything about me, I love sea salt spray. Sea salt spray for my hair, can't beat it. Perfect gift. Now, if you want to give your bearded person something that you know they'll appreciate, it would be beard oil. We have our 3 signature scents from Temple Smoke, Old Money, and Tree Ranger. In addition, this season we have actually probably my new favorite, Bold Fortune, which is a collab with Jeremy Sears. I love this. I love it as a fragrance, and the packaging looks phenomenal, dark and sleek. It is an excellent fragrance. I can almost guarantee that your special bearded person in your life will love that. So if you have a guy in your life with a beard, get them the oil. It is a perfect gift. Any of our 4 fragrances will do. And of course, we have grooming aids. And so you can get brushes. The beard brush is a must-have, makes a perfect stocking stuffer. And then as well as full grooming kits. So take a look at our website at beardbrand.com. You can actually see some of the things that you can get as a bundle or as in a grooming kit. For a somewhat of a larger gift. Now, some other things for grooming would be the new large comb. It is the Jello Salad comb, perfect red for the holidays, paired with a pair of scissors. Now, this is a great gift for a guy or a girl. Yes, for the women in your life, a large comb in this red, it's phenomenal, paired with scissors. Every woman needs a pair of scissors in their, it's not a DAP kit, is it? In their makeup kit. So a pair of scissors and a comb would make a great stocking stuffer for a boy or a girl, for a man or a woman. So those are some simple gift ideas that you can get from Beardbrand. Actually, any product from Beardbrand is money well spent, and it will be a gift that will be greatly appreciated. The name speaks for itself. The quality of the products speak for themselves. You can't go wrong. So check it out. Once again, beardbrand.com. Wishing you the best of the holiday season, and we'll see you in the new year.
Hey, I'm Mark. I think that Beardbrand products and the Beardbrand mission, they've really helped me kind of wear my beard and present it to the world in a way that, honestly, for the first time in my life, like, kind of makes me feel kind of handsome. You know, sometimes. But anyway, thanks, guys.